October 27, 2025. Millions of people are sharing a video, an interstellar comet. The rarest phenomenon, a triumph of astronomy, but experts see what others don't. An empty sky without a single star. Light that doesn't obey the laws of space. Movement too perfect for an object from the depths of the universe. This comet never left Earth. It was born not in interstellar void, but in a drop of water. So why did millions believe? And what does the real comet 3I Atlas hide? Every astronomer who glanced at this video sensed something wrong. Real deep sky images are always full of stars, tiny points of light, sometimes blurred trails from telescope movement. Here, nothing. Black void, no constellations, no faint glimmers. Not even digital noise that always appears when a camera stares into darkness for minutes. The lighting also violated all rules of space photography. Instead of steady directional light from a distant sun, there was pulsating glow, as if the object were illuminated by a microscope lamp, not a star. Real comets always have a signature, a fuzzy halo, the coma, sometimes a faint tail where dust and gas are carried away. Even the faintest interstellar visitors reveal a ghostly envelope under long exposure. The viral video showed none of this, only a sharp form. Smooth gliding, authentic astronomical images are full of defects, hot pixels, random interference, faint streaks from cosmic rays. This is a side effect of pushing digital sensors to their limit. The viral clip was flawless, its motion glassy, continuous. For professional observers, the clues added up quickly. No stars, no traces of cosmic dust, no camera artifacts, no signs of comet structure. This wasn't astronomy. This was something masquerading as a message from the stars. A digital forensics expert begins with a reverse image search. Result: 0 matches. Not in any major astronomical database. Not in NASA press releases. Not on European Southern Observatory pages. Not in Minor Planet Center logs. All results lead back to social media reposts, each with a slightly altered caption. None with a credible source. The file's metadata shows even more gaps. The original upload, dated October 26, 2025, lacks all standard camera information. No make, no model, no exposure settings, EXIF data stripped. A typical sign of multiple downloads, re-uploads, editing. The expert runs a hash check. Every unique digital file has a fingerprint. The viral video's hash doesn't match any observatory archive, any amateur astronomy log. Instead, a chain of reposts. The earliest public version appears on X, formerly Twitter. The author, an account with a history of posting AI-generated astronomy scenes. Within hours, the clip is recaptioned and spread across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Attempting plate solving, a standard method for verifying astronomical images by matching star fields to catalogs, fails immediately. No background stars, no coordinates. The expert's conclusion: no chain of custody. No institutional provenance. No reproducible evidence linking the video to any real observatory or mission. The digital trail points not to the stars, but to a string of anonymous uploads and missing context. A microbiologist reviewing the viral footage recognized the shape and movement instantly. The so-called comet was in fact a single-celled organism, most likely Paramecium caudatum, a common freshwater ciliate. Its body, oblong and slightly tapered, measures less than 1/3 of a millimeter long. What looked like a cosmic traveler gliding through emptiness was actually a living cell, covered in thousands of tiny cilia. These hair-like structures beat in perfect synchrony, pushing the organism forward with rippling wave-like motion. Under the microscope, this creates the illusion of smooth, unbroken gliding, an eerie resemblance to how a comet might drift through space. The glow around the organism wasn't starlight. This was the result of phase contrast microscopy, a technique that amplifies subtle differences in how light passes through the cell structures. This method highlights the edges of the paramecium, producing a luminous outline, a pronounced halo effect. In dark field or phase contrast mode, the cell's boundaries shine against a black background. It looks as if the organism is surrounded by its own miniature coma. One microbiologist, posting a comment the day after the clip went viral, summed up expert consensus. Those synchronized ciliary waves are textbook ciliate motion. Astronomers call it cosmic, but that's pure pond water. The illusion held only because the original context was lost. Once the organism was identified, the mystery dissolved. What millions believed to be a message from deep space was in reality a drop of water, magnified and transformed by optics. A single drop of water, magnified on a glass slide, began its journey as a classroom demonstration. Somewhere along the way, its identity slipped away. The original video, likely recorded in a teaching lab with a basic phase contrast microscope, was uploaded to an open access platform. But as the clip moved through the digital world, credits faded. Each repost chipped away at context. First the author's name, then the educational caption, until only the glowing gliding form remained. When the clip reached a major aggregator account on X, a new caption appeared. Real 3-eye atlas footage, closest ever. And the transformation was complete. Automated content tools picked up the trend. AI-driven news bots scraped the viral post, rewrote headlines, generated short videos, all echoing the same astronomical claim. Within hours, the original lab setting was erased by a cascade of cosmic keywords and algorithm-friendly hashtags. Visual rhetoric did the rest. Cropping removed any hint of the microscope's edge. Contrast adjustments deepened the black background and exaggerated the bright outline. What started as a shimmering cell now mimicked the classic look of a comet. Luminous core, faint envelope drifting through darkness. In this new frame, scale was lost. A creature smaller than a grain of sand became, in the viewer's mind, an object crossing interstellar space. Pattern recognition is a double-edged sword. The human brain is wired to spot familiar shapes. The paramecium's cilia-driven glide, in isolation, echoes the trajectory of a comet caught in a telescope's gaze. Phase contrast halos mimic the glow of a real coma, but the resemblance is only skin deep. As the video's reach expanded, so did the risk of confusion. AI-generated captions and automated reposts repeated the comet claim with growing confidence. In a world of automated pipelines and viral visuals, what something looks like is never enough. Evidence comes from context, from provenance, but the real Comet 3-eye Atlas exists. On July 1, 2025, the Atlas Survey Telescope recorded a faint moving point of light. It didn't fit any known pattern. Within hours, astronomers from different continents compared observations, ran orbital calculations. The numbers left no doubt. This was not a comet from our solar system, but a true interstellar visitor. Its trajectory was hyperbolic, an open curve that would fling it past the sun and back into the galaxy, forever. The Minor Planet Center assigned it a historic designation, 3-eye Atlas, only the third confirmed object from beyond our solar system, after 1-eye Oumuamua in 2017 and 2-eye Borisov in 2019. Every new interstellar object is a rare chance, a fleeting sample of another star's debris, carrying secrets from worlds we may never see. Observing 3-eye Atlas pushed even the world's most advanced telescopes to their limits. The James Webb Space Telescope, along with ground-based giants in Chile and Hawaii, trained instruments on a faint moving blur. Early images revealed a subtle coma, a thin envelope of gas and dust barely distinguishable from the background. Unlike the bold tales seen in some comets, Atlas's activity was modest. No dramatic outbursts or fragmentation events. Spectroscopic data brought the real surprise. Instead of the water-rich signature typical of solar system comets, 3I Atlas displayed an unusually high ratio of carbon dioxide to water vapor. This CO2-rich composition stands out, hints at a birthplace colder, and perhaps older than our own planetary neighborhood. Some models suggest the comet could have formed in the thick disk of the Milky Way, its age potentially 7 billion years. The nucleus itself is small, likely less than a kilometer across, its surface darkened and hardened by eons of cosmic radiation. 3I Atlas is not just a visitor from another system. She is a messenger from a time and place long before our own sun began to shine. The story of the viral comet is a warning. Appearance is not evidence. Context once lost is almost impossible to recover. Social media platforms reward what grabs attention, not what's accurate. Their algorithms amplify clips that spark strong reactions, pushing videos like the fake 3I Atlas far beyond their factual worth. A 2023 MIT study found viral science hoaxes on X and Facebook were shared 70% more often than real discoveries. But the same technology that spreads confusion can empower anyone to check the facts. Amateur astronomers use a simple checklist. Look for raw data. Fits files with embedded telescope details. Try plate solving, matching star fields to real sky coordinates. Always ask, have other observers confirmed the event? No real discovery stands alone. The multi-observer rule remains the gold standard. Major telescopes continue to monitor 3I Atlas, refining its story with every new spectrum. Each interstellar visitor adds to a growing archive. Curiosity fuels these discoveries, but so does careful method. On October 27, 2025, a single video clip misidentified as 3I Atlas reached millions within hours, but forensic checks revealed it was a paramecium filmed under a microscope, not an interstellar comet. The real 3I Atlas, discovered on July 1, 2025, remains only the third confirmed object from beyond our solar system. Telescopes report a faint coma, an unusual carbon dioxide to water ratio, data still under active review. The original footage's educational context was lost through reposts and altered captions. This illustrates how visual similarity can mislead, and how algorithms amplify errors. Reliable discovery requires open data, verifiable methods, and skepticism toward viral claims. Curiosity drives science, but only evidence builds truth. And yet, as telescopes continue tracking the real comet from the depths of the galaxy, one question remains. How many more messengers from other worlds are slipping past us unnoticed? And how much of what we think we see is merely a reflection in a drop of water?